Guys, you have reached Top It Off with Miss R, and I'm Miss R. If you want to see me put together this one-up arcade riser, then just stay tuned. I got this riser from Walmart. You may as well say for $45. And at the top of the box, it comes with the screws and the wood pegs. Let's see what else. Okay, guys, it looked like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like panels here. So let's open it up. RQ. One up RK. I guess this is the bottom because it has the things to protect your floor. I'm going to sit that down on the bottom. There's another bottom to protect your floor. So these must be, and here's another RQ. So I am thinking maybe the RQs are the ones that's going to like support it on the inside, but we will see. And we have 3 panels here. I tried to make it, and when I made it, it became just a little bit too small. So when I went to the store today, I seen one, so I said forget it, just buy it. Okay, so this panel is an RN right here, and an RQ. So also these have footings on the bottom. So all the bottom panels I am going to put on the floor. All right, guys, let's put this thing together. RN panel. Now we're going to grab the RP panel and do the same thing. Put the pegs in. All right. RN is done. RP is done. Okay, let's see the next step. Guys, this is the RN and RP panels. It looks like they're saying that the RP panels are going to be the inner panels. So let's set this all up. So what they want you to do is insert. They want you to insert the RP panel with its pegs into the RN panel. And then you're going to turn it to the back. So once you insert your pegs, you're going to turn it to the back, and there's going to be 2 holes there. And you're just going to simply screw your RP panels in. The RN panel. Now I have to insert the other RN panel. Okay, so with the RP panel, you got the 4 pegs here, and you have the 4 holes on the inside of the RN panel, and you know it's going to go on the bottom because this is what protects the floor, those little things right there. And those 4 pegs on the RN panel is going to fit right onto it. And we're going to screw that side in. Screw goes there, a screw goes there, a screw goes here, and a screw goes here. And we're just going to screw that in. All right, guys, well, I'm done screwing in the RP panels and the RN panels. Okay, and it's going to look like this. Okay, so now it's time to screw in the RM panel. So this is the RM panel, and I would, okay, see, this is the RM panel. This is the bottom. We have hole up here, hole down there, top and bottom, and we're just going to fit those pegs in right here and over here and screw this panel on. There we are. And we're going to screw that together. Okay, the front panel is screwed in. So now I just have to do the back panel. All right, guys, this is the back panel and it's labeled RO. The front panel is labeled RM. The back panel is labeled RO. We're going to fit them on the pegs like we did the front panel. And we're going to screw this in. There's that side. Let's see here. So we're just going to line it up. There we go. And I'm just going to screw it in. All right, so we have our box assembled, okay? We got the inner panels in, we have the back panels in. Well, these are the side panels. We have the two RN side panels in, we have the RP inner panels in, and we have the front panel on, that is the RM, and we have the back panel on, which is the RO. So now we have the RQ panels. And from the instructions, this is the ledge that the game is going to lay on. And you're going to have two holes on the inner panels. So we're just going to lay these on the inside. Like that. Take your RQ panel. Lay it on the inside. Just screw it in. Now, what I was saying to you before, you're going to have some screws at the top of your panel, on the top of your RN panels. The RN panels are the side panels. So when we set this video game on top of this, then we'll have the option of screwing our video game into this panel to make sure it's, it's stabilized. So guys, this is it. It's a simple. This is the inside of the game. Well, this is the inside, of the one-up arcade panel. This is the front. And now I'm gonna have my son to place it on top. All right, guys. guys, well, this is the Miss Pac-Man game that I bought. I have my 1-Up arcade riser behind it. Me and my son is going to lift up the game and sit it right on top of the riser. Perfect fit. Alright guys, well that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I love how high the video game is on the riser. And guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know when my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.